Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create folder and subfolder on this computer here. So first you want to right click. You notice when you right click, this is what you see. You go down to this word new, you come across, so this is self, is the folder. You click and there you go. So you're going to right click again, and then you're going to go down to the word new, and you're going to click. Now so this is how you create a folder. So you want a subfolder now. So you want to do open this one by right click on it, or you can double click on the word open. Alright, now you open this particular folder here. You notice right here, search yourself folder. So you're gonna come right here and you're gonna click. You notice, so this itself is a folder. So let me give it a name like that. And then if I open this folder, then I can actually come right here. Some of your version might be slightly different, and then you're gonna create a different one like that. And so if I come right up here and I close it, right, if you notice right here, show the folder within a folder. So if I right click on it again and then I come like that, you notice you show that a folder inside a folder is a subfolder. Come like this and you open it, just the same. So what if I wanted to separate the folder then? Right, I can come like that. Right, let me drag it in some more. Then I can come right here and drag this one outside. You notice? Then I use this look area and go back. Notice this one again, I'm gonna drag it outside like that. And I'm gonna close it. So there you go. So this one here, and this is the folder like that. So folders, I can even drag them back in like that. And then I'm gonna open it, and you see exactly what's going on inside there. So if you notice, this is it. So this is how we create folder right here in on your computer. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.